Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna give you guys very basic do's and don'ts about makeup which will really help you out to give a natural glow and a natural shine to your face even after you have done with your whole makeup. What you can do is use a illuminator. You can either use it by mixing it in your foundation or applying it first and then applying the foundation. It will give you a really hydrated, natural, glowy skin which will look really nice. Avoid smiling while applying blush on your cheeks because when you smile your cheeks are lifted up, but when you stop smiling they're back on the normal position, so the blush will become very close to your mouth and it will not look nice. While choosing a nude lipstick for yourself, always go for at least 1 or 2 shades lighter or darker than your natural skin color, because if the lipstick is too similar to your skin tone then it might look ghostly and from a distance your lips might also look invisible. So always go for a few shades lighter or darker. So after you have done your makeup and even while you're doing your makeup, it is always advisable that you use a hand mirror to check your makeup closely so that you can see all the details, because what happens sometimes is that the makeup enters the fine lines or the creases of the face and then it might just not look nice and you'll have to correct it later. So it's better you just keep a check on it. Before doing makeup you have to make sure that your face is totally clean. You have to work on a clean face no matter what to get the perfect makeup. So wash your face, use a toner, use a moisturizer, do anything and do everything to make your face completely clean. You can change a lot of things about your face through makeup, through contouring, highlighting and many other techniques, but the most important thing is that you highlight the key features of your face. Like some people have amazing cheekbones, some people have great lips, some people's face is so structured, many things. So it is also important that you highlight the best features of your face because you guys are lucky to have those features, so you should not ignore them, you should work on them. Avoid using heavy, intense, dark makeup during the day and make sure that your makeup is appropriate according to the occasion so that later on you don't feel self-conscious or doubt yourself about, oh my god, what have I done with myself. So you should always pre-plan your makeup. You should have it clear in your mind what you're gonna do and not, experiment just in the end. Don't always do your makeup according to the fashion or the trend that is going on. It is not necessary that every makeup look will look nice on every person. Everyone has a completely different face, different structure, different features, so it all depends on the kind of faces. So don't just think that, oh, this is in fashion, I have to do it. You might just end up making yourself look like a joker. Okay guys, so that will be all for today's video. I really hope this video was helpful because these small tips, these small do's and don'ts are really helpful for the makeup. These are the ones which bring about a perfect makeup, so we really should know about them because they are really important. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share and most importantly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.